let's take this thing apart. A few hours of work here. What time is it now? Oh, it's after 11 now. Start on about 7, I think. Yeah. 4 hours of screwing on with this shit. Actually, I think it was before 7. Like 6:30. Oh well, 4.5, 5 hours. Screw with cams. It's hard to make money when you got to spend that much time dealing with cams. Oh well. I said I was going to get rich by working on Harleys. Just fun. Of course, I'd rather be working on that Harley there. Yep, a good motor. It's whatever we make it. That's my favorite type motor. Whatever we make out of junk parts, that's what we do. Okay, this will not come off until I take this off. This is a pretty handy tool if you work on sportsters. I haven't made one for Big Twin yet. It's the same tool. The drive gear varies for years, but it's the same tool. Half the Big Twin's same gear, the other half's a different one. There you go. That got locked in too. So that means I got to clean it. Alright, I'm going to go down on the floor so we don't get anything important and dirty. Get out of the way. Alright, will this come up easy or not? That's a good sign. Comes up easy. No lapping compound on here. Bushings are dry. A lot of times you get a little bit right on the edge in here, but I'm not really seeing too much. You can see a little residue on my fingers, so I know it's in here. So I'll just wipe that, just do that a brake clean a couple times with that. That should be clean. That was the easy part. Okay, where's my marks at? Yeah, I'm going to set it about on timing spot. See our timing marks? They're lined up now. See? Told you. About in the same spot. Okay, so now I got to do is make a timing mark for here to here. Somehow. The problem is once I start cleaning this, you're going to lose a timing mark. So we're going to use a scribe. Use a carbide scribe. Carbide, solid carbide scribe. Very expensive. It's made for marking hard items. Kind of like this. It's marked. Boom. See? Mark. Make sure you line up your marks. Alright. So I can't feel the high spot at all, which doesn't surprise me. Definitely is full of goo. Alright, so all this stuff has to be cleaned up. Lots of cleaning. Everybody wants to know how I clean stuff. Nobody wants to do it. Nobody really wants to watch it either, but we're going to do it anyway. So we're going to grab our can of cleaner here. That's one can. Got our paper out here. Hold it up. Go to the floor with it. Another can. Okay. First thing I do is our cover. One can cover. Try not to get that on the camera lens. So it's going to go like this with it. And blow it off. Flip it 180, do the other side. That stuff stinks. A bit of black residue coming out. Don't see no more black residue coming out. It's actually gray residue, I should say, but same difference. Okay. Okay, that's clean. Now we go through our normal cleaning process to clean out off the rest of it. That one's good. That was the easy part. Okay, now we got nice clean gears here. Good. New piece. Put the gear over here now. A little bit of gray, but not too much. I think we got most of it off. So if in doubt, do it one more time. No more gray. So that's what the lap teeth look like. Should be relatively finished, smooth surface. If you're looking on the edges just right, you'll see they look pretty smooth probably. Okay, I got no more gray on that one, so that one's good. Get it out of my way. Go to the next one. This one has two teeth that are full of goo. I'm going to hold over here on the cam side. There's a lot of goo on this one. Still pretty crappy looking. Oh yeah, lots more gray coming off. Probably shouldn't put that gear over there, get dirty again. Blowing stuff that way, we'll throw that over here by the cam cover. Alright, you can see all that residue on my finger blowing around. So let's keep doing this again. Still got more coming off. So this is going to be the worst one. Do some more. We're starting to get most of it finally. Go over here and see if we got any dirty stuff. Looks clean on the paper there. Okay, clean on the paper means we're clean enough to go clean it normal ways now. So there's your teeth. I don't know if you can see how they're lapped in or not, but they're lapped now. Next one. So I just got that one gear here. It's full of goo. A little bit of overspray on the big one. And I think I'll blow it down this way. Time to get a new piece of paper. Big mess here. Let's see, we'll transfer this one over here as a dirty. Make ourselves a new clean piece here. There we go. This will be black. Gray crap. Yep. Customers don't like when you charge them for a couple cans of cleaner though. See, it's still full of goo down inside of there. You can see in there. I got most of it that time. 2 more times. If in doubt, clean it again. Okay, then we got most of it, so we're going to clean it one more time over here on the clean one. See if we get any gray. Nope, looks good. Okay, there's what that one looks like. There you go. Alright, I'm going to keep cleaning. We'll be back.